Sorry for not posting lately. I've started school back again, and my birthday's next week, so, but I'm still here, and I will be trying to post, but I guess I'm gonna get an update on my life. But basically, next week is my birthday. September 4th is my birthday, and, yeah. Oh, and yeah, the trip in North Carolina was good. I saw my aunt and, in-laws, and we celebrated my birthday up there, but, because they wouldn't be able to see me on my birthday. I will be having a water park birthday with some of my friends and family. Well, my best friends and my family, and then my main best friend's mom. But yeah, so. But I guess I can show you some of my new stuff that I have got over the time. I've got new chokers. I bought a gold one. Sorry for sounding like that, guys. I'm a little bit sick, but I'm just trying to film for y'all. I got this one. I also got this one. Also, thank you for so much the love and support. I really appreciate it. Sorry for not posting a lot. If you have any more requests or ideas, because I'm kind of lost of what to post about, so just comment down below or something. Here's this one I got. I also got this. I will be posting a video about what I got for my birthday. So yeah. My birthday is next Wednesday, but my birthday party is next Saturday, so. Also got this one. Also got this one. This one too. Also, if you want me to do separate videos about God or whatever, because I know I'm a Christian and I don't know if Christians are watching, but I always want to share my religion towards others, but yeah. I guess I would say God has helped me a lot through things. Now, I'm not a person to judge religion, but the only one that I don't like is Satanism, because we're supposed to love our enemies, but we're not supposed to love our God's enemies, which is Satanism. But it doesn't mean I'm going to be rude to you or anything. I'm just not, going to be around you, but. I got this one with a cross. Also, if y'all want me to do a bracelet making video, I'll do that. I'll also in this video, I'll say what products you should get, for the girls or the boys, I guess, if they like this type of stuff. I got a new one. I found this out. I got it from Target. It's called Pistachio Please, and it's by Finery. I love this one. I literally just got it yesterday, but I guess it would have pistachio, but it also has toca bean and then vanilla. I don't know what else these things are, but you'll have to look it up because I forgot what it has in it, but it definitely smells good. I also got this one. It kind of smells I don't know, but it smells really good. I guess it would have a strong, it kind of gives me at the beach type of vibes, like kind of like it's a very strong smell, like kind of like maybe like it's at the beach with like kind of like with the country mix, like very strong. It smells very good. It's called Balance. It is from Provence Essentials. I obviously got the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. This one I love, but yeah. I also got, you should probably get this one. Well, no. I mean, I recommend this one. It's Maybelline New York The Colossal Cat Eyes, but I definitely recommend the Sky High Maybelline New York mascara. I also have this one. It's the Sun Kisser blush. I forgot the thing because it like ripped off, but yeah. But I definitely recommend for like body stuff, you should get Tree Hut, because Tree Hut, I love, like, I'm a Tree Hut girly. Also Dove. Dove is pretty good. I've always liked Dove. But I love Tree Hut. Tree Hut's like one of my like best friends. But I guess my favorite makeup brand would probably either be NYX or Maybelline. Or no, like, yeah, Maybelline, NYX, and e.l.f. Those are my favorite. I also got some face masks. Guys, I'm sorry for my voice. Like, I'm literally so stuffed up. Because these people in school be like, I don't know, they were coughing all over me. But yeah. And also keep it respectful in the comments because I am a minor. But I'm not going to tell my age. I just love face masks because I used to not be so hygienic, but like I guess I've learned to be like a perfectionist. Like I was like, and I found out it's part of my ADHD. So like, and I always get so mad when things are like, when someone like does something like that isn't like correct. Like I don't like change. I also don't like when it's not perfect. Well, like not perfect, but like you know what I mean. Like when someone like is acting dumb or something like that. I do have a new teacher, but in our school we get the same teachers. We have two teachers. One that teaches everything, and one that's just an assistant. But they changed the teachers, which is kind of weird. Because we were supposed to have the same teachers for 2 years in each class. But yeah. But yeah, I will like probably like, but like y'all should maybe like tag me. You can try to do it. I don't know. Y'all should probably can try to do an edit and tag me on TikTok or something for my birthday, or just like, you know, say happy birthday or something on September 4th, because that will be my birthday. Oh, I also got my nails done. Yeah, I got them done Thursday. They were an extra gift for my birthday, but yeah, guys, I'm not going anywhere, so. But I don't know, yeah, just guys leave me a comment. Maybe y'all say if I do, like, maybe, like, y'all should, like, maybe comment a certain makeup look I should do, or like if I should do a bracelet video, or like just let me know. Maybe I can film one time when I'm going to the store, but I used to do that when I was little. I used to fake like doing that but now I'm a YouTuber, so yeah. I'm gonna show you some of the clothes I think I have. Ooh. I also do have this. I think this is discontinued. I have a couple discontinued things from Tree Hut that I found from like a Bell's outlet. So like you can't really find them in like stores. They're gonna have to be in a Bell's outlet. Y'all. Sorry, my clothes are really a mess right now. I got that dress. I think I got it from a Goodwill. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. I have to get my room. As y'all can see, I did get a rug. My aunt gave it to me. Well, my great aunt gave it to me. I also have this dress. I won't show all my new clothes, but I'm going to try to show some. This is a dress I got from like Goodwill. I also got this from Goodwill. I also got, I got this in North Carolina at a Goodwill, but I love this. This was from, I think a Bell's outlet, yeah. Bell's outlet. This I got from Goodwill in North Carolina. My aunt gave me this. She also gave me a diamond ring my uncle gave her. It is real. Well, I think it has diamonds. It just doesn't, it just like has tiny ones, so it doesn't really like shine. I also have this. My aunt also gave me, and guys, I'm not showing all the clothes that like she gave me like that I bought, because like that'd be too long of a video, so. She also gave me this one. I also got this the other. Oh, guys, I'm not excuse me. Sorry, guys. Really am sick, but anyways. Got that dress. Got that, and then I know this kind of gives me 2016 vibes or 2018. This is also just so guys, that will be the end of the video. But yeah, sorry for the sound. I'm not sick, but I think it's allergies, so I will be back. Don't worry, I'm probably gonna post a video next week. Bye guys.